Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear shocks on this 1996 Chevy Tahoe. And if you replace one of them, we do recommend that you replace both of them. And we show you on the passenger side, but the driver's side shock is the same procedure. And it's the same part and process for the Tahoes from 95 to 2000. And the items you need for this is new rear shocks from 1AAuto.com, 14mm and 21mm sockets and ratchet with an extension, 21mm wrench, a torque wrench, and jack and jack stands. Now you want to start off by removing this 21mm bolt, and then you're going to remove these two 14mm bolts. So using a 21mm socket and ratchet and a 21mm wrench, you just want to remove that nut. And once the nut's removed, use the socket and ratchet on the other side and just start twisting out the bolt. Now use a 14mm socket and ratchet with an extension to remove those two upper bolts. And we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Once those are removed, the shock will pull down. Up front is the old shock, and the back is the new shock from 1A Auto. You can see they're identical, and they will fit the same. You will have to just apply some pressure to shrink the new shock. Feed your new shock up into place with a bolt in the 14mm socket, and then just tighten it into place. And really you only need to tighten it preliminarily, and then you should start the other bolt. And once you have both bolts started, just go back and forth tightening them up until it's nice and firm. Now push the shock in and then forward, and then line it up and push the bolt through. Then just replace the nut and washer on the other end and tighten that up with your socket and ratchet and the 21mm wrench. And torque this lower bolt to 75 to 80 foot-pounds and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.